Hi friends, we're having a printer repaired today. As you can see, the tubes in the printer are empty and it's not printing well. I've added ink to all the compartments. But now I need to fill the tubes, otherwise it won't print properly. First, I'll show you what it looks like. It's a Canon PIXMA printer. You can see the full name on the screen. Now, go to your computer. To remove air from the system, right-click on any photo and then click Print. In the next window, select your printer. Then click Settings. Then Printer Properties and go to Maintenance. Click on the Maintenance option, then select Ink Cleaning. This method fills the tubes with ink and also the print head. This method will use quite a bit of ink, but it will definitely fill the tubes. We received a notification that a large amount of ink will be used, and the filling process will take about 10 minutes. We agree to this option and click OK. Let's check again that the tubes are empty. Now that we've confirmed that the tubes are empty, we need to run the program. If you have a few air bubbles in the tube, you can select Deep Cleaning. This will use less ink, saving you money. In the next option, you can choose only black or color ink. You can also select both options at once. I'll select both black and color. Click Run. The process has begun. Now you need to wait about 10 minutes and then return. About 6 minutes have passed. So let's check the tubes. As you can see, the tubes are completely filled, and the ink level has dropped significantly, but the print should be excellent. Let's try a test print. To do this, select the Test Print option on your computer. This sheet allows you to closely monitor the print quality. If any streaks remain, you can reapply a fill that doesn't waste too much ink to achieve perfect print quality. That's all for now, friends. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and see you in future videos.